I have all the necessary paperwork to get the Supra titled and registered. That way, I can drive it down the road today. So let's go get that done. Girls and boys and gang members, we are street legal. So now, let's go I just scraped in a Prius. There is no way. Go fix a couple things and take a legal drive in the Supra. On 93 octane, tuned, bliss. I'm so happy and grateful of where I am right now. Very blessed. The only thing that I could think of supporting the rear hatch while we change the struts, a katana. I think it's pretty fitting. Okay, after looking at the new one, there is studs. So that typically means a nut go on it. And that means it's probably underneath this interior trim piece right here. Also, what the fuck is going on here? I just now noticed that. I'm just looking around. It's questionable back here. It's questionable, that's for sure. It's very questionable. So I'm gonna figure out how we're supposed to get behind there. Took this piece off, that piece wrapped around here, and then this piece back off, and I think we'll be able to access it from down under. Okay, so I didn't think we had to take this whole panel off. This is all one piece and it goes all the way up there. And so if I am correct, I should be able to touch them right up here. Just by peeking. You can peek and see them in there. So I think we'll be able to access it. I can touch it. So I was right. I think I am. Look at that. One out, I think. And just like that, it no longer needs any support whatsoever. My hands are a little beat up, but that's part of it. Go ahead and put all the interior back together. Just like that, we're done. So let's move on to the hood and headlight front bumper situation. Sure. This headlight's misaligned, that headlight misaligned, front bumper need to go on somehow. So how we're gonna do that is we're gonna figure it out. I will update you when I kind of figure it out. Update, I figured something out. It is getting warmer outside and I'm sweating. However, if you, hang on, let me take you off this mount. I got this cool little mount. Anyways, hole down here, headlight's got to go into. Bolt here to align it. 2 bolts, one here, one all the way down there to align it as well. However, after some convincing, look at that. She's very happy. So hopefully I have a little tiny bolt that can, you know, we gotta fucking convince it some more, I guess. If I can get up in there, because that bitch is barely not lined up. Headlight number 2. New hardware, a couple new hardwares. There's a couple cables, like I had a, like this guy's got to get plugged in over here. So that works properly. Maybe. Okay. Let me figure this out. For the life of me, cannot figure out how this bumper attaches. With that being said, I'm dying to drive the car now that it's road legal. I'm gonna go check to see if that Walmart package was here so we can move all of this shit and all of that onto the wall. Out of the way. She killed herself again. The speed bump that's over there. Sometimes it does not like third gear. Just skip third gear for now until we get a clutch adjustment. That little squirrel almost just died. So far, so good. What the heck? Yes! Yes! Two steps should work. She's a little happy. That was loud as fuck. Absolutely sensational. It is absolutely sensational. Now, is it going to take some time for me to get used to? Absolutely. But holy fuck. Like, actually, the suspension is pretty fucking dialed in on it. I would not change the suspension for fucking anything. Wow. Like, I'm barely pushing the car, and I have it maybe turned up a little bit. Like, we're pretty low on the boost by dial. Every fucking bit of it. Well, we've sat in traffic for about 15 minutes. My back did not survive the sweat test. However, the car did pass the overheating test. It is currently 68 degrees outside. Absolutely sensational. Overtrained. All right, you know, besides the aesthetics of the vehicle and the transmission not liking third gear a whole lot, there is not much I can complain about. sensational right now. I have no words. I have no words. Left turns are the only downside of owning a right-hand drive vehicle in America. Left-hand turns are the bane of my fucking existence. You know where to buy it. I don't know why you're waiting. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's fire. It's 100% cotton. Look at that. Stretch. Screen printed, so you don't get a sweaty back. Unless you don't turn on the AC in your 1993 Supra, and then you get a really sweaty ass back. Thoughts after today? The vehicle performed. Was it angry at the start? Yes. Could the battery have just been low? Yes, yes, yes. I'm very happy. We have a lot to do. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. If you are, why haven't you liked and commented yet? Please, tell me what you want to see next. I got a room full of parts. We got steering wheels, we got handbrakes, we got shift knobs, we got to fix the front bumper, we got to do some regular maintenance. What do you guys want to see? I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Hit the club, then leave the club, they come back with another change. I did my sister, dog.